Artificial intelligence can write complex software, analyze spreadsheets, and draft legal documents in seconds. But right now, it is mostly trapped in a chat window, cut off from the tools and files you use every day. You can think of an AI like a world-class chef. This chef has memorized every recipe ever written and has mastered the most difficult knife skills in the world. But there is a catch. The chef is standing in a kitchen where the pantry is bolted shut and the stove is locked in a separate room. All that skill doesn't matter much if you can't use it. Without a way to reach your apps, an AI is like an expert with its hands tied. It can explain how to help you, but it can't actually take action for you. In the past, if a developer wanted an AI to read a file or check your calendar, they had to build a custom bridge for every single app. One bridge for Slack, a different bridge for Google Drive, and another for Gmail. These connections were time-consuming to build and easy to break. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, replaces those messy bridges with a single, standard doorway. Instead of building 100 different connections, apps just plug into this one universal port to talk to the AI. It's like the difference between having a cluttered table full of different remotes for your TV, your soundbar, and your DVD player. MCP is a universal remote. The AI only has to press a single volume up button, and MCP handles the work of translating that signal for whatever device you're using. This standard finally gives AI the ability to reach out and perform tasks across all your favorite platforms using one shared language. To understand exactly how this system works, we can look at the three main characters working behind the scenes. First is the host. This is the program you actually talk to, like the Claude app on your computer. Next is the client. Think of this as the translator living inside the host. It turns your request into the standard MCP format. Finally, there are the servers. These are small programs that sit on top of your apps, like your files or your Gmail, and wait to provide data when the client asks for it. Together, these three essential parts form a relay system that carries your instructions directly to your data and back. Let's see it in action. Suppose you tell your AI, "Find yesterday's meeting notes and email them to my boss." The host realizes this request requires finding a file and sending an email. The client sends out a ping to all the available servers, asking, "Who here can read my local files?" The file server answers the call, locates your notes, and hands them back to the client. Then the client sends a second ping, "Who can send an email?" The email server responds. The client hands the notes to the email server, which packages them up and shoots the email off. The AI didn't need to know how to search your hard drive or how to log into your email. It just used the MCP doorway to get the job done. Because MCP is an open-source standard, no single company owns it. Anyone can build a server to connect their favorite apps to the system. To try it yourself, start by downloading the Claude desktop app. It's currently the easiest way for beginners to use this technology. Then you can find free MCP servers on GitHub for things like Google Drive, Slack, or your local documents. You just copy and paste a short block of configuration text, think of it like a simple digital shipping label, into your settings. This tells the AI exactly how to plug into the server. Once that's done, you can stop just chatting with your AI and start asking it to actually organize your files and manage your workflows. This is the moment AI moves beyond just being a chatbot that can talk. With the Model Context Protocol, it finally has the hands and eyes it needs to actually work for you.